Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate brand approvals in Monday.com marketing workflows step by step clearly. Open Monday.com and log into your account. Navigate to your marketing workflow board. Identify the specific column where brand approvals are logged. Click on the column headers to access the settings. Ensure the column type is set to status or a similar format that allows for approval tracking. Review the existing status options and consider adding new ones if necessary. To add a new status, click on Add Status and define names like Pending, Approved, and Rejected. Save your changes to update the column settings. Choose the item in the board that requires brand approval. Click on the status column of that item. Select the appropriate status from the drop-down menu. Add any necessary comments or notes in the text fields provided. If multiple approvals are required, replicate these steps for each relevant item. Assign team members who will oversee the approval process. Use the Assign feature to designate team members to specific tasks. Set deadlines to ensure timely reviews and approvals. Monitor the approval process using the board's filter options. Adjust the status as approvals are received or feedback is provided. Communicate with team members through the built-in updates section for transparency. Schedule regular check-ins to discuss outstanding approvals and address concerns. Utilize integrations with other tools if your workflow flows into different platforms. Finally, review your workflow periodically for any improvements or changes needed. These steps will ensure a clear and efficient brand approval process in Monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.